So I'm here at the National Hardware Show, looking for solutions for painters, and I've been in search for a tool bag for painters for years and years and years. And most of my audience knows that I'm a big fan of carrying a tool bag. So you always have your tools with you, and you're fast and efficient as a painter. So I got Justin with me. You're a product developer and creator, EDC 1791, and you guys make tool bags. And I think I see a pretty cool tool bag here. So tell me what we got here, what's going on.
Absolutely. As far as 1791 is concerned, like our genesis is like all of it really wraps around leathers, like different leather craftsmanship. We have like our EDC carriers that are designed to carry like a flashlight, a pen, a multi-tool. What we wanted to do is we wanted to bring it into the trades and develop something that was more like trade specific. So this is our UTC, Universal Tradesman Carrier. All of the tradesmen that I talk to, there's a couple of things that all of them have in common as far as what they like to carry and have ready access to. So something like a utility knife, a pencil or a marker, and obviously your cell phone, taking notes, looking at like job site drawings and stuff like that. So carry all that. This has a lot of belt loops on there because this is designed to be load bearing. You have your outside belt loops, and then you have these here that prevent it from kind of bunching on your body. And then this D-ring is actually integrated into this reinforcing strap, and that reinforcing strap is also integrated into the belt loops to transfer the load from what would be on here into the belt loops. So this is just a quick, like stow and go type situation. You can throw a tape measure on there, you can throw a hammer in there, you could throw like a screw gun that has like a belt clip, kind of use it as a holster for that. So you're not tearing the crap out of your pockets, you know what I mean? Then from there, like this is like your inspection kit, you know what I mean? You walk into a space, like you have a couple of things you need to kind of like assess the situation. And then when you come back, you might need to grab something that is more specific to your trade. Whether you're an electrician or whether you're a carpenter, you can grab one of these. So these are the Mod 2s. So this is the Mod 2E for electrician, and this is the Mod 2C for carpenter. One of the big common failure points that I have seen so many times on tool pouches is this snap right here. Usually it's just like a push snap. And if that fails and you're on the job site and all of a sudden your tools hit the floor in a client's house, like you're in for a penny, in for a pound, you have more work because you have to fix that now. So this is actually a fid lock. It's a magnetic closure device. So the magnets basically, go ahead and hold that. The magnets basically bring the latches together, and then that latch is actually rated for about 70 pounds on that one.
So is your belt's gonna go through here?
You can put this through your belt, or you can actually loop it through that D-ring, and then that's gonna pivot to the center of gravity. You know what I mean? So when you bend over to work on something, you don't have stuff falling out of your pouch.
I like that. That's
and
pretty
then
cool.
Our fasteners pouch is also a fid lock. You just come down and you, just a flick of your thumb and you're into your fasteners pouch. You can get something out of there, let go, and it's gonna close on its own gravity. So
this is actually a pretty cool tool bag for a painter, even though you didn't specifically design this for a painter. So
I might know a guy that could make one though.
Yeah, I'll typically have like a 5-in-1 tool, but I typically have other types of knives that I'll keep in there. I always have screwdrivers with me, so you got a screwdriver holder. Typically when we're prepping, I always got a hammer. We're doing carpentry repairs all the time, so it holds a tape measure right there. This is really cool because we always carry, it's funny, you got a Sharpie right there.
Yep. We
always got a Sharpie because we're labeling, things like we're taking off, our lights, numbers, downspouts, we're labeling them. So this is actually, pretty cool. I really like, it looks like it's pretty well made.
Yes. Well, we're artisans with what we do with leather. We have like 3 generations of leather craftsmanship, leather design. We have over 200 years of cumulative experience down in our plant in Mexico where we make all this stuff. So they're leather artisans.
I mean, this is, even though once again it's an electrician's pouch, this would suit a painter like pretty good. I mean, we could actually tweak it a little bit more and make it even more suitable, but man, I kind of love this. It's pretty cool. Where can somebody get something like this?
So this we're actually debuting at the show. This has never been seen by anybody before. We actually just got the Retailer's Choice nomination for this too, just on this show. So super excited about this. This will be ready and available, and I would say like probably 60 days or so. We'll have it available on the website. We also have a footprint with like Lowe's and Home Depot on their website as well.
So what's your website?
1791gunleather.com, and then we also have 1791edc.com for more of the EDC type carriers and things like that.
So you guys make gun
We,
stuff.
we started off in the holster space,
Right.
so that's our genesis, and
Right.
we've gotten into the hardware space as well.
So a painter, if a painter wants this bag, how much is it going to cost them?
So this guy's going to be about 120 for
Oh, that's not bad.
for the big guy, and then this
Right.
guy's going to be about 60, the Mod
Okay.
1.
I was literally thinking you were going to say twice that.
Okay,
for that.
cool.
I mean,
sounds like we're in a good spot then.
we're in a good spot. I mean,
good.
for a tool bag, literally this thing for a painter will last forever.
Yep.
I mean, I don't think.
Made out of full grain leather. It's not like you're buying like a cheap nylon one that you're going to use
Right.
for a year and then replace it and replace it. After you replace that thing like twice, really, 2 or 3 times, you're already at this, and then this is something you're going to hand down to your kids. You know.
Yeah. I totally agree. That is pretty cool. I would actually wear that probably every day.
Yep.
I like that too. So you got a couple really cool products here. This is cool for showing us it, Justin. So
Yeah.
I don't know. It's like, as a painter, what do you think? Would you use this tool bag? Would you pay $129 for it? I would all day long. So I like quality tools. I like buying good quality stuff that's going to last. So there you have it. I love the bag. Hopefully, we might be selling one of these things on Paint Life Supply Co. in the near future.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Be honored.
You saw it right here, National Hardware Show. Ow.
Cool, man. Thank you.
Absolutely, man. Both of those are pretty cool.